Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the ZL button flex on the Nintendo Switch left Joy-Con. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, undo 4 screws securing the cover. Next, gently use your fingernail or a pry tool to lift and remove the cover. While separating, make sure to open gently to avoid accidental damage to cables. Next, disconnect the battery plug using a tweezer. Next, take out the battery using a pry tool. Next, undo 3 screws securing the battery compartment cover. Next, gently lift the battery cover and disconnect the ZL button flex. Lift the lever and undo the connector cable to free the battery cover. Using a screw head, gently push the button from the bottom to relax from the bracket. And then, gently using a pry tool or by nail tip, pull out the button. Next, undo the screw to take out the ZL button flex. Next, place the new button flex and then secure it by adding the screw. Next, gently secure the button in place. Next, secure the ZL button flex cable and then place the battery compartment holder. Next, secure the battery compartment holder by adding 3 screws. Next, place and secure the battery. Next, secure the battery plug. Use a tweezer to make the process easier. Finally, snap the cover and then secure 4 screws. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.